Today's feature is on the new Mini GT release for the month of August. 4 castings in total. We have the long-awaited Kaido House and Mini GT Collab that comes in an especially large box. For collectors who have just got your Kaido House 510, you'll be amazed by the size because it's in a Hot Wheels scale. Also the repeat casting, the Toyota TRD 3000 GT, and also another HKS Toyota GR Supra. And now let's take a closer look at the TRD 3000 GT in Renaissance Red. Standard Mini GT packaging. The 3000 GT looks equally amazing. Whole casting is very sharp. I really like the body color in red. It's looking very striking. Wheel sets that rose extremely well. Side mirror in elastic but painted with red. The only downside is the rear, which is all printed without any plastic lights. And this 3000 GT is another very nice addition to my collection. Next is the HKS Toyota GR Supra in Nocturnal. The Supra is looking very sharp in high gloss black. I like the pearl finishing on the body, it makes the casting looks very premium. The wheel set is very striking, it's in high gloss red, a very good contrast versus the body. I like the GT wing, it's very sharp and the construct looks very clean, including the realistic carbon fiber details in 1/64 scale, metal base, and a very nice add-on to my GR Supra collection. And now the long-awaited Kaido House 510 designed by Jun Imai. The packaging is huge to fit the casting that is off scale. At the price that is close to 2 Mini GT, the packaging looks very solid and reinforced. Car is enclosed in a blister that is fitted just right into the packaging with no allowance. First impression is a very refined and detailed casting. I'm quite happy. The scale is based on the Hot Wheels range. The 510 that is originally small in size looks huge. Just the proportion itself is a misfit among my Mini GT collection. Apart from the scale, this casting is looking awesome. I think the designer Jun Imai is also very happy to work on this project. The details are really fabulous. This is something that we can't see in the Hot Wheels even for the RLC range. Crafting on the casting itself is superb. Details looks realistic, and also like the car plate that is 510 branded. Liveries are sharp with the rear wing or the rear fin. I'm not really sure about this. The opening hood reveals the engine bay that's especially detailed. Really like the details here. I think it's a winner and it's looking very clean. A lot of effort is also spent on the base with the Kaido House trademark. I think it's looking great. When compared with the Hot Wheels RLC 410 with also opening hood, the proportion is exactly the same. The scale of the typical Hot Wheels is larger than other makers. They are meant to be fitted onto the orange track. For Mini GT casting, although it's a collab, I hope that the scale can be in 1/64. Next is the other 510 in another color hue. Really like the paint job, it's looking very rich and looking very premium. The wheel set discount comes in gold that rolls extremely well. I love the fact that it's very low and it rolls super fast. All the details are the same except for the difference in wheels color. Detailed engine bay in another color scheme. And also a very loud bass. It looks extremely compatible when compared side by side. We can see the superb crafting by Jun Imai onto this casting. And now the scale, the Bluebird from TLV is in the true scale of 1/64, followed by the Dido Coffee Car casting also in 1/64. On the other hand, this 510 from Mini GT looks huge and is exactly in the same proportion as a Hot Wheels. One collectors point out in my Instagram post that this is a Hot GT. I also ordered the initial model 510 wagon in 1:18 scale next month. I hope that the 510 wagon will be in a true 1/18 scale. So what do you think of the latest Kaido House Mini GT collab? Do let me know your comments down below. Stay tuned for more Mini GT features and remember to like, share and sub to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.